part 2. Well, he revived. I don't know how he revived, but that's logic.
Because Jesus revived me. I'm just kidding. I
Wait.
bought revive for
We
40
haven't heard
million
of the
Robux.
girl in a while. We should look for if okay. Stop. No. Stop singing that music if you don't like it.
Guys, I don't like Adopt Me. Adopt Me sucks.
Yeah, that means sucks.
And then there's gonna be all those preppy 5-year-olds gonna be like, Ultra Mega Shadow Unicorn and Dragon Werewolf, and I like to train it like Adopt Me is supposed to be like some kind of roleplay game, but now it's just a trading game now.
Yeah, and then now
Like, why? I don't think that wait, was Adopt Me supposed to be a roleplay game? I think it's just like some kind of like it's like a simulator in a way. Cause like
Bloxburg sucks. They are literally. I don't have fixed.
at least it's better than Adopt Me. Okay, let's check on
What does Bloxburg do?
Huh?
What makes Bloxburg fun? I haven't played Bloxburg and this.
Well, Bloxburg is not that fun. It's all just building and role-playing, but at least it's better than Adopt Me.
Yeah.
Actually do something in Bloxburg instead of like... Oh no! Why do you like that?
Oh, I found them. They are unconscious.
They're like dead baby chicken.
Listen.
You need to alert the captain.
Well, it's how you run it faster. Ah!
It's long.
Why did the captain lock it? Something is not happening inside. Captain might be inside. The store needs a code. If we find it, then we might be able to open it. Hurry up! Well, if the captain is the evil.
5601.
Ooh, 5601.
I'm faster.
No, you're not.
Well, I'm faster because you're faster and I'm
What's the code?
5601. I found it already. Don't bother. I just want the code.
Okay, that'll make you do everything.
What?
As a service. I'll make you do everything as a service.
And why is mine D12 now?
Wait, now you're D12.
D12.
So you were just like Google, like good game. Then you are
I found
Run away! It's the creature! Run away! Wait, why do I still have the oxygen mask? Hey, Ethan! Oh my god. What do you mean you brought you here? Us here. The captain brought us here. Yeah, a chill pill. Chillax. Just chillax. Yes. Chill, dude. Chill, dude. What? No, that's spaghetti poop. More like chicken leg spaghetti poop. Why is unconscious still? Oh no, are we flying down? the oxygen mask?
Shit.
And we need to find the autopilot button.
Go. Click everything and find the button before we die.
What?
I found it. Well, that was fun. Oh, I got this music.
Oh. And what's that? That's music.
Yeah,
And why we still have this mask? Oxygen mask. Do I really need this oxygen mask?
I don't have an oxygen mask. This has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already.
Yeah, me too. And so let's get out of this plane. We can't escape this plane.
Yeah.
Now all we need to find is this emergency phone. The emergency phone is there.
Go find the emergency phone.
Oh, you wanna be a pro, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be the pro then. I'll be the nicest guy and do the service. Who found it? Me, obviously. Hello! We need him! I get this! But I thought you were unconscious! Is everyone okay? I thought you were unconscious! Yes, we are okay. I will play. The pilot mode is on. Done! I thought they I thought they were unconscious!
Dude, they are unconscious over here.
What the... But the epic crew is this, right?
Look at the airport. People, look at the airplane.
Oh,
I'll sit on the co-pilot seat.
what's the co-pilot?
I'll sit in it. Not you.
No, I'm sitting.
I'll sit up. I'll sit.
Wait, can I tell you something?
What? I already sit on it.
Wait.
I need to do this. Okay.
Let me sit on it.
Okay, everyone. I got this.
No, you don't got this. You were gonna crash. You suck. That's why you suck. Oh no, it's back.
Oh no.
That's what you get for being suck. I should.
Yapping balls.
No, we need to save oxygen.
What?
Ah!
I'm not gonna crush it. I'm not gonna crush it. Crush it. Get no
But
more.
it's going down.
But I'm a great pilot. I want to pilot school.
What? Let's go!
Stop yapping. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean?
He means you poop your pants and suck.
Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about
Did
to
you just say
throw up.
let's back home now? I'm to throw up. Oh yeah.